What's going on, you guys? It's Rafael and I'm back with a new video. Before this video starts, I wasn't the toughest kid at school. I admit it, I wasn't the toughest one. There was other people that was way tougher than me. And I was scared of some things too, but I used to do things just so I can fall asleep and not think about anything scary. All the things that you're gonna see in this video was things I used to do just so I don't get scared at night. If you guys did the exact same things I did in this video, or did some of them, that vacuum though, leave a like and comment down below which ones. Let's get started. If I hear a scary noise, I just stay awake all night.
"20 minutes later." One hour later.
Another thing I do is if I hear a scary noise, I just use any electronic I have just until I fall asleep. Another thing I do is I just pray and say, "Oh, I'm dead. Okay, these are my final words." Before I die, nobody's gonna have none of my stuff, cause I'm still gonna be a ghost, and you know, whoever tries to take my stuff, I'll kill them and haunt them forever. So whoever's watching me from like the window or hearing what I'm saying from the door over there, I'll kill you if you try to take my stuff, okay? Okay. Another thing I do is I just cry and, you know, yell for my mom. Mom! 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 Dad! Mom! Mom! The final thing I do if I hear a scary noise is the opposite of the last clip. Nope, fuck this, 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 fuck this. Come at me, bro. Come at me. I'll beat you up. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it like always. Videos are fun to film. And yeah, I'm filming this like 4 days late because my old outro froze while I was talking and it looked like, so I decided to just refilm it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to leave a like, and goodbye.